Once you have added all the modules that will make up your application, it's time to try out another key element, the services. In this case, and as a test, we will add Google Analytics, a service that will allow us to know statistics on the use of our application, such as sections visited, origin place of the user, and other demographic and use aspects. Very useful if you want to know the effectiveness of your application and get ideas to improve it. To add analytics, let's go to the Services tab, which you'll see that appears empty. This is because the selected template did not include any service. Click on Add Service and search for Analytics. In this case, it will not be necessary to perform any search because it already appears in view, although you can always use the search engine to filter. Google Analytics is a paid service with a cost of €29. It is not essential for the operation of your app, so if you do not want to add it, just continue watching the configuration process. Setting up this service is very simple. All you need to do is sign up for the service with your Gmail on the Google Analytics website and create a mobile account. If this is your first time using it, click on the option that asks you to register. Whether it is your first time with Analytics or not, from here on the process will be identical. Mark it as mobile application, give it a name and mark the other options as appropriate to your app. Finally, click on this button. Accept the terms. Automatically, a property will be created with an assigned ID. It is this code that you must paste into the builder, and once compiled and installed, the app will start reporting data that you will see from the website of the Google tool.